Okay, let's go again. And I am 2-3-4-3. I'll try Dragon, I think. That's been working okay recently. When allowed to play Dragon. A-Frhat. Will it be with Bishop C4? Let's go now D5. Okay, so H5 maybe. Looks fairly theoretical so far. Can I spice things up soon? I think I've got to get rid of the light square bishop with knight c4 soon. Bishop g5, knight c4, takes. Okay, again. I want him to play g5. I don't mind g5. Now here, hg and rook c3 for knight e4. Hg h5, and I'm crumbling. So I want to just park the queen on somewhere. a6. Let's play with rook c3, I think. Unless I've just walked into knight d5. I just walked into knight d5. Probably. Knight d5 is looking... yeah. Gotta protect e7, so I've gotta kick that knight back, I think. What are the forcing moves here? Is it worth looking? e6? e6, otherwise no, it just weakens some squares. e6, knight moves, not e5. Weaken even more squares. I think I've got to get rid of that knight anyway, so I'm going to do that. He's blocked up the king side. So that queen, b5, b5 just to try and open up the b file, I think. I'd take and then play queen b8 or something. Okay. So it's weakened c3 a bit. So is b4 on the cards? Potentially. b4. That does win material, does it? This bishop takes c3 as a forcing move, attacking the queen. I think I'll use that. That's pretty good. When he was on my queen, I'll take his queen. He takes my queen. I'll take the knight. I'll take the bishop. I'm attacking his bishop. So he takes on c5 first. So how do I vary? I can't vary that. Takes on c5. Maybe I'll take on f4, leaving two pieces attacked. And he has got knight b7. I can play rook b. I think I want to keep my bishop. So what's the material situation? Is it terrible? Two pieces and two rooks each. So bishop f4 might be best. Knight b7. Oh, he takes there. So he's leaving me with a horrible pin at the end of this. So I take. He takes. Yeah, the forcing moves. Bishop g4. He just takes. No, I think I've got to take. I'm the exchange down. Oh dear. Can I get a centre pawn? How does that happen? Bishop g4 takes, bishop f3, bishop c6, knight d6. Can't see anything else. Bishop c6, knight d6. Bishop can't attack anything. So I think I'll go with that one. Just the exchange down after all that. Try and get out with this. Knight f8, knight e6. Oh dear, oh dear. Nasty move. Does it matter if I play king? I don't know. It's hopeless. The exchange down. Is it hopeless? Try and keep control of d4 anyway. So there's no knight d4 yet. Just losing pawn after pawn instead. Can I win e4? So these pawns are really fast. Let's knight g5 and h4. If we get the king over there, then try later for knight g5 and h4. It's a bit slow really. h4, knight d3, h3. Doesn't look very convincing. Go for it. Anyway, yeah. So if rook f1, bishop g2, maybe an h3 for h2. Oh my god, it's h3 coming up. Just in time. Takes and go back to g2. So knight d3, h3, knight f2. Oh, I can take that one. Ah. Okay, so can I get a pawn over here? Let's hope this. I don't know what happened in that. There was a tactical storm there. Just losing the exchange somehow. So he plays knight e6. So he's won one pawn. I take his knight. I'm going to piece up temporarily. Piece up here. Now I'm the exchange down with bishop and pre. So I'm still the exchange down with bishop and pre. Exchange down. So that wasn't a very good transaction. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.